Avid Power multifunctional rotary tools with 6 variable speeds and 101 accessories are perfect for all kinds of home projects or crafting jobs, such as grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, drilling, and more. It includes a flexible shaft for comfort and fingertip control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 6-speed adjustment. Variable speed range from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM allows for adjusting rotation speed flexibly according to different working duties and the type of materials being used. Number 2. 107 pieces versatile accessories. With 107 pieces of versatile accessories provided, this tool can be used to do all kinds of home projects or crafting jobs, such as grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, drilling, and more. Number 3. Flexible flex shaft. The flex shaft is the perfect addition for your rotary tool, allowing you to maximize the reach and control. Number 4. Ventilation design and easy to use. Large ventilation opening dissipates heat in time, allowing the rotary tool to be operated for a long time. Spindle lock is for easy and quick accessories change. Rubber-covered handle provides a comfortable grip for better control. Number 5. What you would get. Rotary tool with 6.1 feet. 1.85 meters cord, 107 pieces accessories. Flexible shaft, carrying case, user manual, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.